Well, Josh, Gary, and Jason had to take off, but they found a nice, like a tree, what do you call it, a root ball down that way. And it was all had fine gold in it, but you know, every time you shake it, you get like about 50 pieces, so did pretty good. And then yesterday, he showed me a picture of what they got at the Humbug when they went down farther from where we were. In one little pocket, they found some pretty nice gold, and the picture made a nice big smiley face. So there's gold. Maybe we're not going to find it this time, but we're kind of getting an idea where to look and where not to look. So if we come again, we'll be a little more prepared. Won't spend a lot of time, you know, in the wrong places. But we're kind of running out of time now. We got a 10.5 hour drive, so we'll see how much longer we stay. Okay, and just a scoop. I got that flake, and there's one over here. It's kind of buried. Where'd it go? Right there. Oh, there's something here.
Right there.
Oh yeah, it's getting bigger. So what type of area are you digging in?
Just by a big old rock on the edge of it.
Where?
By a big old rock over there on the edge.
Oh, on the edge, okay. Yeah, so Steve's digging right here now by this rock. Boulder, I should say. So getting little bigger specks. See what turns up. Yeah.
I had about 5 specks, 5 or 6, and then I got that bigger piece. I think I might have lost 1 speck.
Alright, Steve's getting a few little pieces in there. Well, Josh, Steve seems to think this is yours. So we're going to haul it back to the car, and I guess we'll try to go find you. Hopefully you're still there. If you're not there, I guess I'll have to hang on to it till I see you again. I had your phone number at one time, but my phone messed up, and so I don't have it anymore. And I don't have any service in this area anyway. So maybe we'll catch up with you. Well, I guess we're going to be on our way. It's Sunday afternoon. It's going to be a long trip. First we got to go see if we can find Josh to give him his sluice. Then we'll go head home. Yeah, we didn't do too good, but that's okay. You know, it's a learning process up here. Ones that had been here before did pretty well. But, you know, our time was limited, and we just didn't happen to just hit the right spots. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. Sometimes it takes you days or a whole bunch of trips somewhere. All right, well, we found out from that gentleman over there. I think he said his name was David. I'm terrible at names. I guess right up over here by the bottom of the cliff, if you run along here, and you can watch the bedrock. He was finding, you know, small stuff, but gold. And I guess he said down there there's an amber claim. I didn't realize that, so could have been on that one too. Oh well, next time. Stuff in across the river.
Maybe.
Yeah, you can see there's the cable.
Okay.
Okay, Josh. For the old guy hauling your sluice back for you, I'm going to be expecting a lifetime membership in Sierra. Okay, just joking, sort of. No, I'm just kidding you. Hopefully I'll run into you. We'll go down the dusty road there and see if you're still there. If not, I don't know, someday I'll see you again and get... Well, if you had to, you could live off whiteberries. Ooh, there's a nice bunch of them right there. Okay, we were about 3 miles from you. Josh and Tony passed us up. He said he's going to see you tomorrow, so he gave him your sluice. So if he doesn't give it to you, he's the one that's got it. I'm sure he will. But the only reason we didn't go all the way, we're tired. We just want to get out of here. So we'll see you some other day.
Inflatable sluice. It's made out of heavy-duty canvas material. Get to your destination, you inflate it, and you have a way where it's slanted just right and all that. You're ready to go. You don't have to carry some heavy thing down there.
So you think the canvas material would be tough enough so when all the rocks and everything are going on, and you'd have the riffles and all that?
Yeah, you'd have to, well, some special item. You could even have a plastic one, a real thin plastic one on top that rolls up kind of like, yeah. Okay. What do you think?
Now, okay, so since it's full of air, it's going to be real lightweight. How do you keep it from taking off?
Well, yeah, that's we're still working on that in our laboratories.
Okay, because if you had to, well, I guess you could, like you do with other things, I guess put rocks on it or something. Otherwise, you'd have to have weights. And then if you had to carry the weights,
well, you could have a rock or a rope or something down at the bottom to stabilize it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! Look at a what do you call it? What's the one that sucks from the bottom?
The dredge. Yeah,
dredge. It's that's basically what it is. It's a sluice on a floating apparatus.
Yeah. Okay. Get to work. Okay, here's some of the flakes Randy has. So as he said, we didn't get skunked. That's the main thing. Okay, here's my big take. Not a whole lot, but we kind of viewed, at least I did, view this as an exploratory mission. Most of the time was spent driving, didn't have a whole lot of time to wander around and check the claim out. But now I've got some ideas on where to look and where not to look, so whenever I go back, I think I should be quite a bit more successful.